Good day, and welcome to the wild world of animals. I'm your host, Chelsea Adams, and today we're going to see one of, in my opinion anyway, the world's most beautiful and gentle animals. It's called the Hypotenuse. Here we are now in an ordinary California backyard, and there's two Hypotenuses actually today. As you can see, they're usually very quiet now. This one is sleeping. Let's just get a close-up on it. A sleeping Hypotenuse. Very, very at peace. They are gentle mammals. Very kind and quiet. They're quiet mammals. No, they're good. They're not